I'm Violet. Welcome to Sincerely Violet Dance and Sing channel. Today we are going to learn the hand dance of a lovely children's song, Roll, Roll, Roll Your Boat Together. First, I'm going to break down the hand dance move for you. This video has been mirrored to make learning easier for you. So let's start. So are you ready? Just make sure that you are in a comfortable position. And yes, and so basically first you need to have your 2 fists together, one at the top, the other one at the bottom. You kind of stick them together, lock them together. So you just imagine that you are rowing the boat. So row, row, row your boat. So you start with one side first. You row to one side, row, row, row your boat, and then you go to the other side. Okay, let's try again. Row, row, row your boat. Let's try one more time. Row, row, row your boat. And then next, gently down the stream. So basically gently down. So if you just imagine this is the wave of the water, of the stream, right? Or you can imagine this is the fish. So it goes down, up, down, up. Here as well, down, up, down, up. So gently down the stream. Again, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you start with this hand first and then the other hand like this. Okay, so let's try again. Gently down the stream. Let's try again. Gently down the stream. Okay, one last time. Gently down the stream. And then next, merrily, 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 merrily. There are 4 merrily in this line. So basically, merrily means happy. You are happy, right? So you do shake your hand like this. So merrily, 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 merrily. So basically, you just shake your hand all the way throughout. And while shaking your hand, you can tilt your head. You can move your head a bit, right? So, for example, I'll show you. Let's do this together. Merrily, and then merrily to the other side, your head. Merrily, and then merrily. Yes, so basically your head, you just move to the right, left, right, right. Again, merrily, 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 merrily. Let's do this one more time, right? Merrily, 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 merrily. Okay, next. Life is but a dream. So you make a circle. Life is but a dream. You go back to the sleeping position. You can pretend that you are sleeping. Again, life, make a circle. Life is but a dream. Let's try this again. Life is but a dream. Okay, let's try this again. Life is but a dream. And then there's a little variation at the back of the song, so it will be repeat again. So you repeat again, merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. So this time, instead of this position, you move to the other side. You sleep in this position. You just do it on the other side like this. Okay? And then life, repeat again. Life is but a dream. Instead of doing the sleeping position, you do like this, a V shape. And then this line will be repeated again. Life is but a dream, like this. So basically just now, the palm is facing up like this, and then the other one is like this. The palm is facing down, okay, like this, like a V shape. And then at last, you can move your head 1, 2, and 3. And that's the end, all right? So let's start from the beginning, shall we? So let's start from let's start it slow first, then we will speed it up after that. So again, let's start with this position. So roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. 1, 2, 3. Right? So now let's speed it up a bit. Let's start from the beginning again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. 1, 2, 3. That's the end. So now let's try with the music. I'm going to play the dance along music video. So let's do the hand dance together. And I will provide the link in the description box below. So you feel free to click on the link, and then the link will direct you to this hand dance along video that I'm going to show you later.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream.